Dear male and female, do you know that clove is known for fertility booster for both male and female, and it has been recorded to have the ability to tolerate and treat male and female infertility. As a married couple suffering from infertility, why not soak clove with water and drink the water to treat infertility, and this also boosts your fertility? Let's show some health benefits of drinking clove water. Here is how clove water helps boost fertility. It boosts ovulation. Drinking clove water is believed to boost ovulation and increase a woman's chances of conception. Many women trying to conceive take clove water and aid ovulation. Clove is believed to increase the secretion of luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone is the hormone that stimulates the ovaries to release egg during ovulation and menstruation. Can I drink clove water during ovulation? Yes, you can. Drinking clove water during your ovulatory period reduces menstrual cramp and can cause you to release many eggs. When to take clove water for ovulation? Immediately after your last menstrual period. Take morning and evening to your next ovulation. Regularization of menstruation. Women with ceased menstruation have their menstrual flow restored after taking clove. Soak in water every morning and evening. Clove water boosts sperm count and sperm motility. Drinking clove water first thing in the morning has purportedly helped in boosting sperm count, increase sperm production, improve motility and semen or sperm volume. Twinning. Clove for conceiving twins. Since drinking clove water is believed to boost multiple ovulation, the chances of a woman who takes clove water for ovulation getting pregnant and giving birth to twins are higher. It boosts libido. Drinking clove water helps increase testosterone level in the blood. Testosterone is the primary libido booster in both male and female. It enhances erection. To make clove water for fertility, you can soak or boil your clove in water along with liquid pig milk and drink. Do you know that you can also use clove to revive your form and power in bedroom? You can also add cinnamon and garlic at home. This is a secret every man is after. What you need to do: 2 teaspoons of clove, 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon or 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 2 cups of water, and honey or lemon. For sweetness, but it's optional. Preparation step: crush the garlic clove lightly to release their juice. Don't worry, the taste will mellow out when mixed with other ingredients. Add the clove, cinnamon, and garlic into a small pot with 2 cups of water. Boil the mixture, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the ingredients to infuse in the water. Strain the tea into a cup. If you find the taste strong, you can add a bit of honey or a squeeze of lemon to make it more enjoyable. How to take this? Drink the tea twice a day, preferably in the morning or 30 minutes before bedtime. Consistency is the key. Use it daily for a few 7 days and stop. Then you will notice the difference. Please do not add sugar. I repeat, do not add sugar if you didn't see natural honey. Just take it like that. Note, this is not a quick fix. It works best after some days. What are the benefits? Clove and cinnamon enhances cholesterol for better stamina and strength. Garlic and clove boost circulation, ensuring stronger, longer-lasting erection. Cinnamon calms nerve and increases endurance. Clove and cinnamon fight fatigue and improve vitality. Garlic lowers blood pressure. Clove and cinnamon strengthens the heart. This is a powerful remedy for no side effects. Your body will thank you, and so will your partner. Like I said, this is not a quick fix for premature ejaculation or erectile dysfunction issues. Follow for more health tips for better health and performance. Stay hydrated, strong, happy, and healthy. I still remain your girl, Shinanya Harriet. And if you like natural remedy, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Bye.